Good morning, student. In last lecture, we have discussed about intragenic interaction with two examples, incomplete dominance and codominance. In this lecture, we are going to start about multiple alleles. The first, it is a third example of intragenic interaction, multiple alleles. Multiple alleles means the more than two alternative form of gene in a population occupying the same locus on homologous chromosome. It is known as a multiple alleles. Multiple alleles arise by mutation of the wild type of a gene. A gene can mutate several times, producing a series of alternative expression. The multiple alleles, the different alleles in a series show dominant and recessive relation or may show codominance or incomplete dominance. The wild type is dominant over all other mutant alleles. For example, in Drosophila, a large number of multiple genes are known. The size of wings for normal wings to vestigial wings. The normal wings is a wild type and vestigial wing it is a recessive type. The following table shows the phenotypic and genotypic expression in Drosophila. The phenotypes: normal wings, niche wings, notch wings, strap wings, vestigial wings, and their genotypes. This is a most important example of in multiple alleles. Drosophila, the normal wing is a wild type while vestigial wing is a recessive types. Next, another example of multiple alleles is ABO blood groups in human beings. The gene I controls the ABO blood groups and it has three alleles, IA, IB and small I. This is the another example of multiple alleles. Next term, pleiotropy. It is a intergenic interaction. This intergenic interaction, it is a non-allelic interaction and it occurs between the alleles of different genes present on the same or different chromosomes. The one example of intergenic interaction is pleiotropy. The pleiotropy is when a single gene control two or different trait. Means one gene is control two or different traits is called pleiotropy. And this phenomenon is known as a pleiotropism. The pleiotropy, the ratio is 2:1 instead of 3:1 because of the death of the recessive homozygote. The example of pleiotropic gene is sickle cell anemia. This sickle cell anemia, the RBCs become half moon shapes in oxygen deficiency. Means according to Mendel principle of unit character, the one gene control one character, but sometimes single gene produces two related or unrelated phenotypic expression. For this example, the disease sickle cell anemia. This sickle cell anemia is caused by a gene HBS. The normal or healthy gene means dominant gene HBA is dominant. The carrier heterozygous HBA or HBS show the sign of mild anemia as their RBCs become sickle safe due to the deficiency of oxygen. The another recessive gene is a HPS. It is a recessive gene, homozygous with recessive gene, and this gene die of the fatal anemia. Thus, the gene for sickle cell anemia is lethal in homozygous condition and produce the sickle cell trait in heterozygous carrier. The different expression is produced by a single gene. For example, in this pleiotropic gene, a marriage between two carrier will produce normal carrier and sickle cell anemic child. The ratio is 1:2:1. The sickle cell anemia die leaving carriers and normal in the ratio 1:2. The normal or healthy gene HbA is dominant. The carrier HbA showing the parent sickle cell carrier is crossed with sickle cell carrier. The genotype expression is HbA is a normal 1, sickle cell carriers 2, and sickle cell anemics 1. This homozygote with recessive gene HbS die of total anemia. Thus, the gene for sickle cell anemia is lethal in homozygous condition and produce the sickle cell trait in heterozygous carrier. These different expression are produced by single gene, this pleiotropic gene or this mechanism. Thank you.